Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a new service on Setmore. First, head over to the Services tab on the left-hand side. Then click the plus icon in the top right corner and choose Service. This is where you can create a brand new service. You can start by uploading an image if you want. It can be up to 5 megabytes in size. Then give your service a title like Intro Call and optionally add a description. Next, set the duration, for example, 30 minutes, and you can also add a buffer time or cost if needed. After that, choose your location, like in person or virtual, assign a category, and decide if you want the service to be hidden temporarily using the toggle button. Finally, under Who provides this service, select the team members who offer it, and then click Create at the top right. And that's it! Your new service is now ready. I hope this helped. If it did, please subscribe to help me and see you in the next one.